how do we move through transition when we're not hitting the third shot drop? Equally as important as how my partner hitting the third shot drop moves through transition is how do I as a partner move through transition. A lot of people think that you should move with your partner towards the kitchen, which is actually not the way it should be done. So if my partner is behind the baseline and hitting the third shot drop, or anytime they're hitting the third shot drop, I should always be slightly ahead of them. We don't want to get too far out in front because we want to get stuck too far out in the court if the shot ends up being bad. For this example, if my partner is behind the baseline hitting a third shot drop from here, I as a partner move immediately into zone one. As soon as you recognize that you're not hitting the third shot, move into zone one and watch your partner hit their shot. You're gonna get a really nice view of the shot. You're from the side, you see the height and the trajectory and the speed of the ball. Your brain is gonna recognize the quality of that shot much sooner than the person hitting the ball. They're behind it, they don't have the angle. It takes them a little while to register the quality of the shot before you will as a partner. I like to turn somewhat sideways and watch the shot so that my first step is a very large crossover step, which takes up much more room and space than if I step forward facing the net. So I like to turn slightly on an angle. I watch my partner hit my shot. If it's a good shot, I'm to the kitchen. I jump up to the kitchen, I get up here, I'm ready, I'm putting pressure on my opponents. My partner who hits it should at least get to mid-court. Now half the court is gone, forcing my opponent to go short cross court angle, and then I can put pressure by trying to poach that shot and make it more difficult for them. I want to apply pressure. I don't need to hit the ball to apply pressure. Just my presence here taking up space will do enough, and squeezing the court on your opponent will do enough to sometimes draw out an error, or they leave the ball up and then we can then attack them.